So your indicator lamp, you need to replace it, and you put a new switch in your PTO, and it's not working. When it's on, the light is off, and when it's off, the light is on, or vice versa. Well, what's going on is you actually got the switch itself messed up. On these PTOs, even the Monsees, this is a Chelsea, and it's pronounced Chelsea, that's what I call it. Anyway, they both use the same. The Monsees primarily used normally closed uh, indicator, switch. Most Chelseas use a normally open. Some of them does use a normally closed. They do got part numbers for both of them. The normally closed one is what this one used. Somebody been in this before or replaced this having trouble out of the lamp, and they had a normally open on it that was leaking, and as you can see, the ball is stuck. When this was working, when you had the PTO engaged, the lamp would go out. When you had the PTO off, the lamp would stay on. This is not the one you needed. The one that would be needed would be the closed circuit, normally closed. So basically, the way this works is the normally closed one is when it's smashed, it's not getting no power. When it's not mashed, it's getting power. It can send a ground to your light, basically how it works. The normally open one, when it's not mashed, it ain't getting nothing, and when it gets mashed, it sends the ground or power to your lamp or light. That's how it works. This one's mashed in the off position, so if you use one of these, the lamp's gonna always stay on. So you need a normal closed one. Just wanted to show you this if you're having trouble with your lamp and you replace this switch, maybe this video. And before I forget, you can give these guys a call. They got an eBay store, or they got a store, Jack Leon's Truck Parts, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I got the PTO kit from these guys, and I got the the indicator light switch from them. Very helpful people. They actually reply to the emails in a timely manner, and I ain't never called them, but I say if you did, they probably answer the phone. Please drop a like, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. Enjoy hearing from you guys. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to check back almost daily, because I upload almost daily content. Yep, might not be daily, but it's almost is. See you next time.